We have a client for an oil change. Here's our containers to collect the old oil. Then we locate the drain plug. You loosen the drain plug. In this case, it was tight, so I used a hammer to knock it off. Then I unscrewed it and all the oil came spilling out. Make sure you have your oil container directly under the sump or on the side of the sump where the oil will be spilling out from. You can check your owner's manual or Google the make and model of your car to locate your drain plug. Once all the oil has been drained out, in this case the oil dripped out for about 15 to 20 minutes, you wipe clean the sump and you put back the oil plug. Tighten it, clean it up, and you're done with the draining of the oil. Next step is the oil filter. Now I showed you a way to remove the oil filter with the belt, and I decided to do this screwdriver technique that we do when we don't have a filter wrench. As you can obviously see, I still don't have a filter wrench, and so I had to use the screwdriver. What you do is you hammer the screwdriver from one side of the oil filter to the other side, and you use the screwdriver to turn the oil filter. Once it's out, you let it to drain and you get your brand new oil filter. You put some grease to lubricate the seal, the oil seal. If you don't have grease, you can use some oil. Then you screw the new oil filter into place. Make sure it's tight and you're done installing your oil filter. Next step is to put in the new oil. You find yourself a funnel. In this case, I used a container. You open the cap and you pour the oil in. This car used 6 liters of oil. When you're done pouring in the new oil, you replace the oil cap. You start your car, let it run for 30 seconds, and you check for oil leaks from the sump or the oil filter. If there is a leak, immediately shut off your car and tighten where necessary. Put off your car, let it rest for 30 seconds, let the oil settle down, and you take out your dipstick and check the oil level. Here I am checking the coolant level, and I'm also checking if the air filter needs replacing. The air filter is very easy to replace. You snap off the 2 clamps, lift off the air filter cover, and check if it needs replacing. You remove the old one and put in the new one. Changing the oil can take between 30 minutes to 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on how often you've done it and if you know what you're doing. It's a very easy task, and I hope you've learned something today that will help you service your car yourself in the future.